Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join the Dropbox affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC. Go to the search bar and type in Dropbox affiliate program. Hit enter and you will see this page. On this page, navigate to the link that says Dropbox Partners Program. When you click on that link, this will open up this page. Click on Let's Grow Together on this page. Now you will see this page opening up. On this page, you'll have to enter your personal details, your company's information, select I agree to the Dropbox agreement and click on Create. And if you already have an account, click on this Sign in to your account button. So we have these fields. First of all, enter your personal details. Enter your name, last name, work email, company's phone number, mobile number, what is your job function, what is your job title. Scroll down, navigate to the company information page. Here, you'll have to provide your company's name, address, city, country, your state, how would you classify your partner type, what industry describes your business, do you have a deal on hand, what are the products that you are interested in selling, what is your preferred distributor, how many employees you have, what is your annual revenue range, how many managed customers do you have, what is the average managed customer size, what countries are your customers in. Scroll down, check this box and click on the Create button. After you click on Create, you will be successfully logged into the Dropbox Partners Program. And that's the simple way through which you can join Dropbox Affiliate Program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.